Ever wondered how those colorful wax crayons we use every day are made? In today's video, we'll take you behind the scenes of the crayon making process, from raw materials to finished products. Stay tuned to discover how Crayola crafts those vibrant wax crayons. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get more awesome content. Let's dive in. Crayola, the iconic brand of crayon, has become a household name worldwide. With over 3 billion crayons produced each year, amounting to more than 10 million crayons per day, Crayola is undoubtedly one of the largest and most recognized crayon manufacturers in the world. The company's massive facility, located in eastern Pennsylvania, produces high-quality crayons loved by children, artists, and even collectors. But how exactly are these vibrant and colorful crayons made? In this detailed exploration, we'll take a deep dive into the manufacturing process at the world's largest crayon factory and explore how Crayola's crayons are created with precision, care, and creativity. The origins of Crayola crayons. The story of Crayola crayons dates back to 1903 when the company first introduced its famous wax crayons. Crayola was initially conceived in America by cousins Edwin Binney and C. Harold Smith, who recognized the need for safe, non-toxic, affordable art supplies for children. At that time, crayons were made from basic wax used for other industrial purposes, such as marking boxes and barrels. The duo developed a non-toxic version of this wax, which was soon utilized to create the first Crayola crayons. In the early days, Crayola crayons were available in only 8 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, brown, and black. As demand grew, so did the variety, and today Crayola offers over 120 different colors, each carefully designed to inspire creativity and provide a wide range of hues for artistic expression. Creating the perfect crayon, the role of paraffin wax. Crayola crayons are renowned for their durability, vibrant color, and smooth application. To achieve this, Crayola uses a specific type of wax known as paraffin. Paraffin is a white, odorless, and non-toxic solid wax that is derived from crude oil. It is the perfect material for crayon manufacturing because of its ability to be easily melted, its non-toxic nature, and its capacity to create smooth, vibrant colors on paper. When choosing paraffin wax, the primary goal is to ensure that the crayon is neither too brittle nor too soft. A crayon must be durable enough to resist breaking during use, but it must also be soft enough to leave a strong and vibrant color on paper. This delicate balance is achieved by carefully controlling the composition and formulation of the paraffin wax. The role of paraffin wax in the factory, handling, and transportation. Given the immense volume of Crayola crayon production, approximately 13 million crayons per day, there is a significant demand for paraffin wax. This wax is delivered to the Crayola facility in eastern Pennsylvania in large quantities, often transported by train. A single train carrying paraffin wax can haul up to 68 tons of solid paraffin at room temperature. Before it can be used in the crayon making process, paraffin wax must first be melted. The Crayola facility employs steam-powered pipes and industrial boilers to heat the wax. The temperature and heating time are carefully controlled to ensure that the wax melts evenly and does not degrade in quality. Once the paraffin is melted, it becomes a liquid, ready for use in the production process. Storage and preparation of paraffin wax. After the paraffin wax is melted, it is stored in massive storage towers within the Crayola factory. These storage towers hold up to 50,000 liters of melted wax each, and there are 8 such towers in the factory. These towers are critical to ensuring that the crayon production process runs smoothly and efficiently. Crayola takes great care in managing its raw materials, ensuring that the paraffin wax is stored safely to prevent any risk of fire. This involves strict safety protocols, such as maintaining proper ventilation and temperature control, and ensuring that the wax does not come into contact with any open flames. Furthermore, ingredients like pigments, which are powders, are handled with caution to avoid inhalation, as fine particles can be harmful. Mixing the wax and adding the secret ingredients. Once the paraffin wax has been melted and stored, the next stage in the crayon making process is mixing the wax with other ingredients. Crayola has developed a precise formula over the years to create the perfect crayon consistency. A crucial ingredient added during this step is clay, which strengthens the crayon and adds a smooth, durable texture. Additionally, a secret powder is used to act as a filler, increasing the number of crayons that can be produced from a single batch of wax. Along with the clay and secret powder, various synthetic chemicals are added to the wax mixture to ensure that it retains its consistency and does not stick to the molds. One of these chemicals is a fatty acid called stearic acid, which helps to improve the detachment of the crayon from the mold once it has hardened. The magic of pigments, creating vibrant colors. Once the base mixture of paraffin wax, clay, and other ingredients has been prepared, it's time to add the pigments. Crayola offers a wide variety of colors, so the pigments used must be able to create vibrant, uniform colors throughout the wax. The pigments used in Crayola crayons are a combination of natural and artificial compounds that are ground into fine powder. Pigments play a key role in determining the quality and richness of the crayon's color. Crayola uses a diverse range of pigments to create over 120 different colors. The mixture is carefully monitored to ensure the pigments are evenly distributed throughout the paraffin wax, as uneven distribution could lead to inconsistencies in the final crayon colors. Mixing, stirring, and heating, achieving the perfect consistency. After the pigments are added, the crayon mixture undergoes continuous stirring in specially designed tanks to ensure an even blend. This stirring process is crucial because it prevents the pigments from clumping together and ensures the entire batch of wax has a consistent color. The viscosity, or thickness of the mixture, is also closely monitored during this stage. Viscosity control is essential to ensuring that the mixture is easy to pour into the molds without overflowing or creating bubbles. The temperature of the mixture is also maintained at a precise level, typically around 77 degrees Celsius, 170 degrees Fahrenheit, to keep the wax in a liquid state while it is being poured into molds. If the temperature were to drop too quickly, the wax could harden prematurely, affecting the quality of the final product. Pouring the mixture into molds, creating the crayon shape. Once the mixture has reached the perfect consistency and temperature, it is poured into a rotary machine that contains steel molds with 110 crayon-shaped cavities. The amount of mixture poured into each mold is carefully controlled to ensure that each crayon is the same size and shape. After the molds are filled, gentle taps are applied to eliminate air bubbles trapped in the mixture. These air bubbles could cause defects in the crayon surface, so this step ensures that the wax fills all corners and details of the mold evenly. The molds are then passed through a cooling process where cold water is applied to solidify the wax. This cooling process takes only 60 seconds, but it is essential for achieving a firm, well-formed crayon. Cooling and hardening, the final shaping process. After the molds have cooled and the wax has fully solidified, the crayon making process moves to the final shaping stage. At this point, a robotic arm takes over to carefully extract the hardened crayons from the molds. This step is done with great precision and care to avoid any damage or deformation. Even the slightest imperfection can impact the overall quality and appearance of the crayons, so it's crucial to handle them gently. Once removed from the molds, the crayons are placed into a hopper, which is a large container designed to hold and transport them for the next stages of processing. The robotic arm's precision ensures that the crayons remain intact without being scratched, chipped, or bent, preserving their smooth, flawless surfaces. The next step involves a visual inspection where the crayons are carefully examined for any defects such as color inconsistencies, cracks, or other visual imperfections. Any crayons that do not meet the required quality standards are either corrected or discarded, ensuring only the best products move forward in the production line. After passing inspection, the crayons are sorted by color. This sorting is crucial to ensure that crayons are grouped by hue, making it easier to package them into sets. Once sorted, the crayons are ready for labeling, packaging, and final quality checks, where they will be made available to customers in their perfect, colorful form. Inspection and sorting, ensuring quality and consistency. Once the crayons are carefully removed from the molds, they undergo a thorough visual inspection to identify any defects. This step is essential to ensure that only high-quality crayons move forward in the production process. Crayons that fail to meet the company's strict standards for color consistency, shape, or texture are set aside. These defective crayons are either reprocessed to be corrected or discarded to maintain the integrity of the final product. After passing passing the inspection, the crayons are sorted by color. This sorting process is vital to ensure that similar colors are grouped, making it easier for consumers to choose their desired hues when purchasing crayon sets. The crayons are carefully organized into batches based on their color to ensure uniformity and efficiency in packaging. Once the sorting is complete, the crayons are transferred to a conveyor belt. The conveyor system is designed to carry the crayons smoothly and securely to the next stage of the production process: labeling. At this point, the crayons are ready for labeling, which involves applying a brand-specific label to each crayon, providing information such as the color name and brand logo. This ensures that each crayon is properly identified and ready for the packaging process. The sorting and labeling stages play a crucial role in ensuring that each crayon is not only free from defects, but also correctly identified for easy consumer selection. This meticulous attention to detail guarantees the high quality and consistency of the crayons that reach store shelves. Labeling the crayons. Adding the Crayola touch. After the crayons are sorted and inspected for quality, they move on to the next step: labeling. Each crayon is fed into an automated labeling machine where self-adhesive labels bearing the Crayola logo, color name, or number are applied. The labels are designed to provide essential information about the crayon, allowing consumers to easily identify the color and brand. The labeling process is highly efficient and fully automated, with machines capable of applying labels to up to 8,500 crayons per hour. This high-speed operation ensures that the labeling is both fast and precise. Each crayon is carefully positioned in the machine, where the label is placed on its exterior, ensuring a clear and accurate presentation of the product's information. The automated system is designed to handle large volumes of crayons without compromising on quality. As the crayons move through the labeling machine, quality control checks are performed to confirm that the labels are properly applied and aligned. This ensures that every crayon leaving the factory is correctly labeled, contributing to the consistency and quality that Crayola is known for. After labeling, the crayons are ready to be packed into sets for distribution to stores, where they will be enjoyed by consumers around the world. Packaging the crayons, ready for shipment. After the crayons have been labeled, they are ready to be packaged. The packaging line is fully automated, with machines programmed to group a set number of crayons based on the type of package being produced. Crayola's best-selling products, such as 16 and 24 crayon packs, are the most common packaging formats, though the company also offers larger and smaller sets. Crayons that break or have faulty labels are automatically rejected by the packaging line. The machine stops and a light signals the issue. Once the obstruction is cleared, production resumes and the crayons are packed into boxes. Each box is weighed to ensure it meets the required weight. If a box is found to be underweight, the machine removes it from the conveyor belt and the missing crayon is manually added. Once the boxes are packed, they are transferred to a rotating table where factory workers place them into larger boxes for shipment. These larger boxes are then sent to distribution centers, ready to be delivered to retailers around the world. And there you have it. From the raw materials to the carefully constructed and packaged final product, every Crayola crayon is made with a combination of technology, artistry, and craftsmanship. After all the steps have been completed, the crayons are distributed to schools, retailers, and individuals, bringing joy and creativity to children and adults alike. Whether you're drawing a masterpiece or doodling for fun, Crayola crayons are made to inspire your artistic journey. And that's a wrap on the fascinating journey of how wax crayons are made. From the careful blending of paraffin wax and pigments to the meticulous inspection and packaging, it's incredible to see the precision behind every crayon we use. Next time you pick up a crayon, you'll know the entire process that went into creating it. If you enjoyed learning about the magic behind these colorful creations, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more behind the scenes insights. Thanks for watching, and stay creative.